We're excited to share some big news. Wisnio has grown into something bigger, smarter, and even more impactful. Welcome to AssessioAI, our brand new AI-powered platform designed to help put your talent data to work like never before. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the main updates so you'll feel confident navigating the platform and getting things done. Let's start with navigation. The sidebar is now collapsible, giving you more screen space when you need it. All the familiar options are still here, and the organization drop-down has moved up to the top, where you can add or switch organizations just like before. One of the biggest changes is that hiring is now called projects, a shift that reflects the broader ways our clients are using it. Setting up projects. This is our new projects feature, where all hiring and other assessment projects live. You can now search for the project you need to work on or start a new one. To begin a new project, simply click here. You'll see the new Scorecard Builder, a more flexible tool to set up your evaluation process. You can either start with a ready-made template or build your own scorecard from scratch. Click Add New to add evaluation modules that fit your business needs. For example, you might create a module for key requirements or define your own custom criteria. Use the description box to explain the criteria in detail. This information also guides the new AI assistant, so the more specific you are, the more accurate and useful the evaluation support will be. After adding your criteria, you can also map predefined leadership competencies, a tool that you already know, but now you have the flexibility to choose the number of competencies that make sense for your project. Next, you can add or adjust your team benchmark. And use the Project Overview tab to include extra content about the project or client. Keep in mind that adding any project-related documents helps the AI learn more about the context of the role. When you're ready to invite candidates, move over to this tab, click here, and click the familiar Add Candidates button. Profiles. All profiles have gotten a major upgrade. Every AssessioAI profile now includes deeper insights, more actionable data, and a refreshed design. The first noticeable change is the expanded space for WisGPT. This isn't just a design tweak. WisGPT itself has become much smarter thanks to our AI experts. It can now analyze not just psychometric assessments, but also any additional data you upload to a candidate's profile. This data might include interview notes, reference checks, or other supporting information. One of the most exciting profile updates is the richer personality insights, something we know you have been waiting for. By clicking Show Details, you can explore what drives a person's or team's general trait scores, how they work best, and what feels less natural and where they may have room to grow. For power users, now all the raw data points are also available. Values and competencies will look familiar, but you'll notice new explanations and insights built in. AI evaluation. When it comes to evaluation, you now have two options. Use AI evaluation, where WisGPT analyzes candidate data against your scorecard, or continue with manual scoring and comments just like before. With AI evaluation, you can dive into each criterion one by one. WisGPT will highlight relevant data, point out inconsistencies, and surface evidence to support candidate strengths or reveal their weaknesses. You can ask questions, challenge its conclusions, or ask it to bring out relevant data points from different sources so you can draw your own conclusions, just faster with AI help. You can use the AI-generated content as a foundation for your assessment reports and edit it into the final version that fits your needs. The last step of candidate evaluation is to preview your report before printing it or sharing it with stakeholders. In this report view, you can also add your evaluation scores and comments directly, if you prefer to work without AI support. Finally, navigate back to the assessments, and once you have gone through evaluating all the candidates, move over to the Comparison tab to see how the candidates compare to each other. That's it from our biggest updates. With AssessioAI, you get a familiar platform, but smarter, more flexible, and built to give you clearer insights faster.